Okay. This is a south bridge. Hard drive connects with this cable from the power supply. This is the battery. USB port, serial port, VGA port. Do we have a longer screwdriver?
Actually, yes.
Thank you.
Figure out your icon, right?
It doesn't look any different. Let me see.
Yeah, like, semicolon, I don't know what it is.
I think anything that we pull in Carlos' system will be able to show when it's full.
Show that school, not easily.
Are you sure?
I mean, anything's possible, but that's one of those
I mean,
things,
can they like get to the exact, you can see
I
file
don't think they
and see?
can kill it. If you can get me a computer we remote into, we can find out.
I just asked Carlos.
Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, if we play around with one.
Because he was saying some of them can get through to the internet even if they're black. And
Well,
I
we've
think-
seen that though. I think that sometimes a program, that land school program, when they try to go somewhere, it'll come up for a little bit and then suddenly will flip over to block page. I've seen that happen.
Yeah, for seconds.
Yeah.
That's typical, I think.
Yeah,
But
so-
he's saying they can just go for,
I've also seen where Carlos didn't have a set right.
I think it's user, but I wanna make sure before I really
Yeah.
write him off.
Because I've remoted in there and he's had it on where he's got an allow list or something.
No, that's
Or, you
right.
know, some other mode like that where it
The
just.
blacklist instead of the allow list. Allow list, only thing he has land school, that's all they get to.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. Where he went to a different mode and it didn't work because he was in that mode versus. I'd have to see what they called it in the program, so.
So yesterday he said, hey, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, okay, block my computer. So obviously he didn't switch on my computer because then he like blocked other kids that were open.
Yeah.
And then, so I went out. He's like, oh wait, let me block your computer. And when he blocked it, it blocked, it worked. Okay. Let me get you some. Too, but.
Let's see.
Icon.
Here's what I see. This is like an example.
What kind of book you get that at?
Google something randomly, I get something like that. So we have the channel. Let's try to. Yeah, everything has a quote. So maybe. What if we just take out the icon?
Okay, let's just try it. And then go get rid of it.
We got bracket, bracket.
What do brackets do?
It's like different statements, I guess. Like it's almost like kind of consumption in a way. So it says, hey, here's the whole thing, but here's like another like little program within it, I guess you could say.
There's another bracket I can launch.